Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. We have quite a storm system in the middle part of the country. Winter storm warning over in western Kansas into eastern Colorado, and a flash flood watch from Kansas City off to the southeast. And actually what I want to show you here right now is the real extent of this storm. The upper level low is north of Albuquerque, and the thunderstorms extend all the way to the east coast, New York. That is incredible. And so here is the winter storm warning in western Kansas. I'll show you how much snow they might get, and the flash flood watch just to the south and east. Here in the Kansas City area, we seem to be in the most tame part of the storm with the flooding and severe weather to the south, the snow way out west, but we still are in a storm where we're going to have plenty of rainfall. Radar on Saturday morning here. Look at all the rain from Kansas City and the Iowa border down to the Texas Panhandle. It's going to be a rainy Saturday night. Maybe get a little break this afternoon or tonight, but the real main break comes in during the day tomorrow, especially towards noon. I'll show you that here in a second. So on Weather Track Radar, we had some heavier rain move through early in the morning and some lighter rain, but you can see as of this taping a video around 9 o'clock, some heavier rain down near Emporia to Wichita, and that'll be moving in as well. The story for the day is rain and thunder, heavy at times. And some of the heaviest rain early in the morning now moved off to the east, and some flashes of lightning around Warrensburg or so. Now here was the setup: 45 here in Kansas City, 32 in Goodland on Saturday morning. But it's close to 80 in Dallas. What a storm system. And that air at 79 degrees in Dallas is very juicy. A ton of Gulf of Mexico moisture, and it just keeps overrunning the front. You get the thunderstorms, you get the rain. That's where we are at. Nearer the front, you get the severe weather and the torrential rain. 29 in Denver. So let's take a look at this powercast here this afternoon. Surface low east of Wichita Falls, 84 in Dallas, 55 in Wichita, 34 in Dodge City. We're 46 and in the rain. And then through the evening and into the night, the surface low begins to lift to the north. We may be around 40 here while it's 74 in Springfield. So in between here and there, some big thunderstorms and torrential rain tonight. We're on the north edge, but again, some heavier rain and the snow off to the west. Then tomorrow morning, the storm goes through a transition. And we don't show this very often, a purple front. What is a purple front? It's an occluded front. And what does an occluded front mean? It means the cold air from the south or any direction and cold air from the north have met. So let's see, it's 42 here, 47 in Tulsa. There's no temperature difference. The warm, moist air gets squeezed off to the east, and that's where the thunderstorms will be. But you can still get rain. Tomorrow morning we'll be in the rain. But then the storm continues to lift to the north during the day, and the steadier rain will come to an end, but we'll still have some lingering showers, might get to around 50. Look how close the snow is on Sunday evening. 35 Concordia, 33 Hill City, 34 in Valentine, Nebraska, 35 in Sioux City. Is very close. Now, as we go, how much rain and snow are we expecting? Well, out in western Kansas, this is no joke, 10 to 20 inches of snow by the time it ends tomorrow night. Unbelievable. As far as rainfall, it looks like the bullseye is going to be to our southeast with 4 to 7 inch rains from Sedalia all the way down to Springfield, over to St. Louis. Here in our area, about 2 to 3 inches, and there may be a little bit more in some spots, especially south and east of Kansas City. This model has 4.35 in Harrisonville. It just depends how big the thunderstorms, how close the bigger thunderstorms get to our location. So, if you're headed to the Royals game tonight, well, it's going to be very hard for them to break that 8-game losing streak. Not because they might lose, but because it's going to be raining most of the evenings and temperatures in the 40s. And then how about Sporting KC? Kind of interesting. They will play in the rain. They will not play in the lightning. So, will there be enough lightning to cancel the game? On this latest data, there's no lightning. It's just raining. So we'll just have to see how that evolves. So, again, something you'll have to check as we get a little closer to it. And on the 7-day, today and tomorrow, a lot of rain. The rain will come to an end on Sunday afternoon, or showery. Monday, there may be a shower in the morning, just kind of cloudy and windy. Tuesday, Wednesday, there's another storm, but it's a smaller one with some showers. And then finally, towards the end of the week and next weekend, the weather is going to turn around and be absolutely spectacular. Have a great weekend.